With my mom, there's no spoon feeding. So, if I want to act or if I want to do anything, I will go to her with a game plan. I want to act, and this is how I want to do it. Waking up every day with the same love, same dedication. You know, there might be so much happening behind all of their lives that we don't know. But still, smiling in front of the camera, giving the perfect shot, it's not easy.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned into peepingmoon.com. Now, every year we do have a new class of students. But what about class of 2021? How about having the very first student in this class? But not just about her debuting into films is different. Everything around her is nothing but not at all cliche. From her upbringing to how she has been around media, how she has taken over the stardom or not, or is she actually following her mother's footsteps or trying to trace her own path? Let's get Renee Sen to tell her own story. It might be one of her first few interviews for her upcoming film Suttabazi, everything about films, Mam Sushmita, and yes, lots of gossip on just her. Hi, Rene.
Hi, thank you so much for having me and thank you for the beautiful introduction. I loved it. Thank you.
My pleasure. Rene, first thing first, is it anywhere daunting for you to do this, to interact with media, considering that you have not been the, as I said, a cliche star child? We barely saw you around paparazzi. There were no virals following you. And even if I saw a couple of them, there was this shy girl standing there posing but not paying attention. Does this entire process daunts you now, or are you liking it?
Um, all of this is new to me personally because I have seen my mom do it. So I have a rough idea, but to me, this is new and I'm enjoying it. All of you are so kind to me, and I'm getting so much love. So, thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody, for all the love you're giving me. I really hope that I make all of you proud through my journey. So, I'm working step by step to it, and I'm enjoying the process. I'm excited more than it being daunting. But I'm just so happy with all the love. So thank you.
Renee, you understand you come from a school of thought, as we call it, where the
Yes,
byproduct of nepotism or terms attached to a star child, they are heavyweight. They're not easy
yes,
terms to talk to. Uh,
yes, ma'am.
but to give you the benefit of doubt, if I'm not mistaken, yours was one of the most uh, low key debuts ever. It's not a feature film. It's not like a huge, big theatrical release with the biggest newcomer next to you. No big banner. And surprisingly, your mother is not making much noise about it either. Was it all very thought of? Were you very, very clear from the very beginning that you don't want a Bollywood debut in the truest sense, as we call it?
Honestly, ma'am, I have been encouraged to always be independent. Acting is my passion. So how I do it is going to be up to me entirely. Yes, I do have my mom's love and support, but at the end of the day, I have to trace my own path. So I got Suttabazi with my merit when I got in touch with the director. I know it's not the big Bollywood launch, and I know that will happen also. But I will be proud, and my mother will be even more proud that I got that launch because it was based on my talent. That sense of you did it on your own is what is more important, you know? So it's not about it being a big launch or a small launch. It's about, at the end of the day, doing it on your own. That is more important.
So, Renee, when was the first time you realized that you want to be an actor? I presume, like, of course, you must have grown in and around the sets, and Shushmita was one of the most active working mothers at her time when she was at the peak of her career, even back like 2 decades when we are talking about. Was it
Yeah.
then the acting bug bit you? And whenever it did, how did you went up to your mother and told her that, listen, mom, I want to be an actress? What was her reaction?
So, yes, like you correctly said, I have been on her movie sets. I was not there all the time, but I would visit her, and I love the experience. You know, seeing the camera, seeing her get ready, learning lines and dialogues. All of that was very, very interesting to me. So I think as I kept growing up, I realized that, I would like to do this. And I also feel like wanting and liking to do something is very different from actually doing it. You know, as I am getting into movies, it's not just in front of the camera. There are other things that come with it. So now I know, as slowly, slowly I'm getting into it, this is what I want to do. It was not just a dream and a fantasy that, I want to act. Now I really am dedicated to it, you know. So during the lockdown, actually, when we all were with ourselves, is when I thought and I introspected that let's work towards that. Now is the time, because I'm also in college now. I'm studying. So otherwise I would not have had the luxury to sit and think, you know, or maybe have so much time to work at it. But now I actually got the time. So I made the best use of that time and I got into it.
So, how was it going up to mama and telling her that, listen, mom, I think I want to act, or maybe there is something which I am working on and I have something in mind to discuss with you? What was the first reaction?
With my mom, there's no spoon feeding. So if I want to act or if I want to do anything, I will go to her with a game plan. I want to act and this is how I want to do it. So if I wanted to learn acting, I would have to have a list of schools or where I want to go, how I'm going to work around my schedule, how, you know, I would make time for practice, how I would study, everything had to have a plan. So when I went to her, there was a plan. And when the script came, it was even better because I had something to show her. That, Ma, I want to act. I have gotten the script and I read it and I read it with her. And I was like, Ma, I want to do this. So she was like, if you like it, go for it. Because at least I had a plan in place. So for her, you want to do something, go ahead and do it. Be the best at what you do, but have a plan. That was
If
the most important.
if I'm not mistaken, Suttamazi was like what, a group of you college friends under the age of 25, all of you, if my research suits me fine here.
Uh, we're all under 25, yes. But only Kabir I knew from
Okay.
before. Yeah, so Kabir and I were in the same school and we lost touch and then we reconnected. So he's the only one I actually knew. Everyone else I have gotten to know through the film, and they're such wonderful people. They're the best people to work with. I'm so lucky. We're like a family now. So, yeah, we're all under 25 and all of us are studying. So, we're all studying and doing this. So, yeah.
Renee, with the current group of newcomers, if we have to count it, what stands different for you is there is not a preconceived image with you, with the glamour, the photo shoots, social media game, everything. yours is as normal as it gets. Is it a very conscious call or a lesson you have taken from your mom's leaflet? Because she's also not then and there into the media full throttle. She just does her work, it's very rare to trace her to get into the media like that wise. Was that your ideology? Or even this was also a very thought out thing that I don't want to go into that full glam power thing and make out first a very huge profile and a huge buzz around me and then make a debut?
Uh, Ma'am, I wanted to earn it. Being in the media and everything, I wanted to earn it. I needed to be here because I have something to offer. So if that meant staying away, focusing on education, working till I get here, then you could say that, And my life I'm very happy with it. So the media and all of this, yes, is a very important part of my life, but I want to earn it every day.
Lovely. Uh, Rene,
Yeah.
even now that, of course, Sotabazi is coming and we'll get to see your acting skills and everything, if I have to ask you on a fun note, what would have been
Yeah.
otherwise your kind of debut if you would have to pick any film over the recent past years, something which you would have happily, dived into? So we could get to know what Rene is exactly looking for.
I'm looking for all kinds of films. If I would have gotten anything else on my own merit, I would have been very happy. And like everyone's journey is different. So I want to carve my own path. But like you asked me, what is the kind of film I would have liked to do? I would like to do all kinds of films. I don't have a particular type that, okay, I would have wanted to debut in a romantic comedy, maybe an action film. Who knows? Maybe I could have surprised myself with an action film. So whatever I would have gotten on my own merit, which would have been good and would actually project my talent, I would have done that.
So, if for fun's sake I asked you to pick any film, Last Ke Kuch Saalon mein se, which you would have picked as your debut, what would have you picked on a lighter note?
Okay, I don't mean to boast, I really don't, but I would have loved to be in Arya, my mother's role. I know there's time for that, but still.
But yeah, an honest answer is an honest
They're
answer. You
amazing.
can't take that away.
But I love the role.
I totally
I
agree
love
with
it.
you.
I would.
I agree with you. But Rene, have you ever even
Yeah.
thought, like, if you have said it to me right now, I was coming to that question. If you get a chance to share screen space with your mother, how does it even sound? Do you
Oh
think
my
that you're
God.
right now ready for that?
No, I'm not. I'm not ready for it.
Why?
She's too good. She's too good. I have so much to learn before I can be in the same frame as her. I'm not ready. I have a lot to do before I can say I can be in the same frame. So no, honestly, I don't think I'm ready. I have a lot of work I have to put into myself.
Do you understand that now there are two actors staying in the same household? How are the conversations like? How's Sushmita and Renin talking to each other? Is it still the mother-daughter, or now you bridge both the
Very
duos?
much so. No, it's very much mother-daughter conversation of how's your day, what are you doing, how's your college, um, just home stuff. Yeah, it's very mother-daughter. But now because I have started working, I do talk to her about how my day is and everything. But then in like 10 seconds flat, it's back to mother-daughter conversation. So there's no change.
So Rene, is
There's
there a
actually no
certain
change.
list? So is there a list of do's and don'ts which you get from your parent? And I'm not talking just as Sushmita. I'm also talking about, of course, as a mother who has been actress for the longest time. Was there a certain set of do's and don'ts that when you
Yeah.
enter the industry as a whole, you should follow as a young actor? Were there any key tips or any restrictions Fun restrictions. You
Hmm.
don't have to do this or you have to do that. Were there any at all?
No, I mean, the only do was be grounded, be honest with your work, and do not let success get to your head. That's it. The rest is all my call and my decision, which I know thanks to my mother and whatever values she's taught me, I'm hoping that I'll make the right decisions. But it's very simple. That
Lovely.
just be honest and be hardworking, stay grounded, and don't let this get to your head. That's it.
Okay, Rene,
And
fun
study,
question.
very important. The most
Oh, yeah, I
important
was
in
coming
life
to that. Sushmita is very, very clear
is
that everyone has to get their education sorted first.
yeah, yes, I am studying. Um, I have college in the next week.
Good
Yeah,
man.
so I am
Okay,
studying.
Rene, tell me, fun thing. If in the young crop of actors, example, all the good, cute boys out there, who are you picking for your next film? Come on, let's get some fun. Hypothetical. Everything is hypothetical. No harm caused.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay, tell me who's your
I
crush,
really
who's
don't
your
know.
favorite actor, anything. Come on, this is not hard. What's your crush or what's your favorite actor you would love to work with?
my crush, my crush is Ian Somerhalder. He was in Vampire Diaries.
That's one
I
debut
have
which is never
a
going
huge
to
crush on
happen.
him.
That one debut is never going to happen for sure.
Bye. I hope it happens.
I was actually asking you a
I
quintessential
hope
Bollywood
so.
debut. Yeah, we hope so too. Fingers crossed. But okay, come on, give me a Bollywood name.
Okay, oh, I'm so sorry. I thought you were asking me who's my crush in general,
No, 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 no. In crush in
but
general,
it's
thank you. You
Ian
told us
Somerhalder.
without even asking me. You spilled all the beans. But now tell me if you have to pick someone from
Oh,
Bollywood.
sorry. I'm so.
But if in Bollywood you have to pick up an
Oh
actor,
my god, I'm so sorry.
it's all
Uh,
okay. It's all good. Okay, we'll take this again. So if in Bollywood you have to pick a young actor to pair with in a movie, any actor it could be. If you know your next movie is offered to you with an X and Y actor, who it would be?
I would like to leave that to the director to decide.
That's the sweetest answer I have ever heard. Like, let the director take the call. You're
I'm
open to.
very happy with. I'm very happy. I would love to work with everybody because everybody is. So yeah, I think I would really love to work with everyone
Oh,
and
that's
and help myself grow in the process.
nice. Rene, your mother is also known for something very different, which this industry is not very, very open with. That is her life, her relationships, the way she deals with her personal and professional life, be it with you girls, be it with Roman at the moment. Uh,
Yes.
Shushmita is something who doesn't hide things. She takes it very, you know, her approach is very clean and clear. Do
Mhm.
you understand now with you entering into the spotlight? Uh, you also might be falling into the same category where people might be giving you a lot of scrutiny over your private life, your personal relationships. Are you ready for that kind of, how should I say, facing the heat?
Ma'am, I respect that people would want to know about my private life, and I am clearly in an industry where everything I do will be monitored. So I am ready for that, you know. But most importantly, I would want to be known for the work I do. I would like to be remembered for the roles I did, for the work I do, for the person that I will become eventually through my journey. So, yeah, I am aware that my private life will be scrutinized, and that's fine. I mean, like I am Ian Somerhalder's fan. Even I'm interested in knowing, okay, what must he be doing? That's okay. As long as I'm being respectful about it, that's fine.
That's really, really lovely. So considering that you are leaving it up to your directors to look for your next co-actor, give me give me the name of the director now. Which director is Renee leaving the work up to? A director she's dying to work with.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali, sir.
That's a big dream. What is about his work? If I have to ask you, is it the courage of Padmavati, or you would want to do a breezy, beautiful romance of Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam?
Ma'am, watch his movies. They're beautiful. Even the tree is so beautiful in his film. Even a leaf flying is so beautiful. It makes it look like poetry. Like violins are playing. It's the most beautiful thing. Watching his movies are beautiful. Honestly.
Lovely. That's really that's a very candid confession coming from you. Now, knowing
I
that
mean,
we
a banyan tree looks wow in his frame. So, yeah.
agree. So now we have a
But
director in place.
yes, but I have to fix my acting more to request him that, sir, please look at my work and please ask me if you feel I am good for it. So there is time.
Rennie, you are coming at a time where we have a barrage of new actresses, if I have to point out, be it from
Yes,
Sara, Ananya, all these girls,
yes,
a
ma'am.
year into the acting. Uh, if I ask you a very straightforward question, do you consider this as a competition or not?
I take inspiration. I am not competing because it's not easy being here, waking up every day with the same love, same dedication. You know, there might be so much happening behind all of their lives that we don't know. But still, smiling in front of the camera, giving the perfect shot, it's not easy. So I admire all of them. They have so much love for what they're doing. So I can only take inspiration from everybody. I'm not competing. And I would
That's
love to work with all of them. Everyone is so gifted and so talented that I would love to learn from them, honestly.
so, Rennie, if a big Bollywood debut doesn't happen immediately, and if by chance you get something path-breaking on an OTT platform, maybe a series per se, are you open to it, or you are actually looking for into the 70 screen only?
I'm open to everything and anything. With the way our world is going now, OTT is a huge space, you know. So I would love to be part of OTT as well. Commercial cinema also has been a dream, and I do want to pursue that. So I'm open to both as long as I got get it on my own and
So
I do
coming to
well.
coming to getting it on your own, if there is a film of your mother's you could have picked to remake into and star into, what it would have been?
I
Fun.
don't want.
It's a fun thing. Come on.
I don't want to because they're too amazing for me to do.
Okay, the best film of your mother. Let's make it even easier for you. I'll not put you in a spot now. Pick me your
Mehuna.
favorite. Why
But like
Mehuna? You
no, but
why
more
Mehuna?
than Mehuna, I love Arya. I love Arya. But as a movie, yes, Mehuna.
Do you understand that Shushmita became the quintessential chemistry teacher love for everyone in every college after
How you know
Mehuna?
she taught me chemistry also. In my seventh, eighth, ninth also. Ninth. Yeah, yeah, she used to teach me chemistry. I used to go with all my subjects to her. Help me, mom. She
Was
taught-
it funny for you to go to school and a college and knowing that you are Shushmita Sen's daughter? Was the emotion or was the treatment any different for you?
No, no. I'm very lucky. I'm very blessed that my teachers and my friends uh, treat me like everybody because that is very important. You know, uh, I I uh, I'm in touch with my teachers now also because we're on vacation. So I sent one of my teachers, my film and everything. She said, "We're very proud of you, but don't leave your education." you know. So I'm very lucky that everywhere in all areas of my life, I'm getting very good advice and there's so much support. So no, I'm not treated any differently.
That's lovely.
And that's what actually is keeping me grounded.
That's lovely. Renee, what's refreshing, I have to tell you before we close the conversation, is coming as a child, I would say a child, not even a child, a youngster at your age, and being so clear and grounded about the fact that you know what the privilege counts for, and you're not taking it to the heart. This is really heartwarming because you know that you're going to earn it. Every Friday, this box office changes, and so does the industry. So
That is
you're very well aware that it's not a constant industry to be in. It's a lot of hard work, but I can
which
definitely
is
say this
why
to
my
you.
education is very important, you know, which is why my mom is stressing on that because she is aware and she will always want my well-being. So yeah, I'm very lucky.
And you're
Thank
also
you.
taking your mother's, I would say, lineage forward. You're also coming at a point where Sushmita, I would say, is at one of the top of her career. It's just the second rerun sort of thing, bringing home the best actress trophy. Everything is
Yes,
falling into place. And
yes.
that's a beautiful video, I have to tell you. You were way more excited
Yeah,
when Ma was doing this.
I was screaming. I was very excited.
But it's
Because
so
you
lovely
know
to
what
see.
I want to say that what she's achieved in her life, um, I I can I don't want to clone her. Her shoes are too big to fill. So I'm not even going to attempt that. I will make my own journey and I will make my own path. So I just feel like we're two different people, you
You know,
know.
the most beautiful thing I would have to add there is I remember when you turned 18 and Sushmita came out in public and gave that beautiful interview that she is more than, Renee is more than welcome if she wants to look for her biological parents. And then you came out, and I think that was the first time I noticed you. I uh, read your response to that entire thing. It was very heartwarming. It's not every day you find women of substance, is the word per se, at what she did back then when nobody thought. And when I see you after all these years, it's just beautiful. I have to
Thank
give
you.
it to you. It's
Thank you. Thank
lovely.
you.
I wish you all the success, and I hope that we meet often. After
Of
Suttabazi,
course.
there's more fun. Next time I get more fun answers from you. You will get your best actors ready. You will tell me your Bollywood crushes. I am going to make sure. Otherwise, we are going to replicate that Mehuna moment with you, where you will be seated in a class and you're supposed to answer.
Yes. Thank you. I hope we meet more.
I
Thank you
hope
for this.
so. I thank you and I wish you all the love, all the luck. I hope Sutabazi is just the beginning to something which is very amazing, and you will take
Thank
your
you.
mother's name
Please do
ahead.
watch it.